This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a Snapdragon Gen 1 8 whatever the f it's called. This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip with 12 gigs of RAM on Android 12 and its latest version of One UI 4.1. OnePlus 9 Pro has the Snapdragon 888, also on 12 gigs of RAM, also on Android 12 and its latest version of Oxygen OS. Let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus OnePlus 9 Pro speed test comparison. Let's see which one will have the faster boot up. What will happen right now? Let's see. Get rid of that. Ooh, oh! I don't know, man. Slow down the video for me. Whoa, I don't know, I can't tell. Now both had little different animations and stuff. Wasn't exactly the same on both phones. I mean, both booted up practically at the same time. I don't know, let me know in the comments below. And we are in. Alright man, let's just get right into the test. I'm gonna do this on both phones. As you can see, no recently used apps on the S22 Ultra, no recent items on the OnePlus 9 Pro. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Samsung, messages, identical, the camera. I'm gonna pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder a little bit better. Ooh, I don't know, but I think that was the OnePlus slightly out in front. Fire up the clock on both phones. We'll go ahead and start up the stopwatch and let that run in the background. Calculator. Whoa. There you go. Play Store. Ooh, the OnePlus was super fast. Okay, let's see. Let's click on whatever. What can I click on? What can I click on? We'll click on this. We'll leave it on that page. Amazon. Ooh, pretty much the same thing. Let's see, what can I click on? What can I click on? Let's click on, we'll click on this. We'll just leave it on that page. eBay. Ooh, very close. I think that was the S22. We'll go ahead and click on, let's see, this watch. Click on this. Give you an idea of the internet speeds, etc. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see what happens right meow. And I'm gonna call that one a draw. Tap to begin. But the S22 Ultra a little bit faster on the second step. Subway Surf. Loading on both phones. Oh, a little bit faster on the S22. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. All right, let's see. Logging in on both. What will happen right meow? Let's see. Oh, S22 ahead with the OnePlus 9. Catch it. It does catch up to it. And we'll give the win to OnePlus 9 on this one. Come from behind victory for the OnePlus. CSR Racing. Let's check this one out. All right, what do we got going on here? All right, let's see. Here we go, going through its sequence. Let's see. Ooh, hearing noise from both phones at the same time, actually. And what will happen right now? You know what? I think the OnePlus might be slightly ahead, but it's pretty much the same thing. Let me know in the comments. Modern Combat 5. Let's check this one out as well. And I think, again, very identical or identical speeds extracting files. Let's see, I think the OnePlus is out in front. Yup. We'll give the win to the OnePlus on this. And of course, we do have PUBG. Let's go. Tencent Games. A little bit of a delayed reaction on the OnePlus initially, but I think it's out in front. We'll see what happens. Hearing noise from the OnePlus 9 first. Let's see. I think that was one. I thought that was the OnePlus 9. Ooh, okay. We'll give the win to the OnePlus 9 on this one. Twitter. Oh, okay. I think that was the S22, slightly out in front, but not that big of a difference. IG, very close. I think that was the OnePlus. Snapchat, identical. Again, maybe the OnePlus, but let me know in the comments. And we do have Chrome on both phones. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do a search on. I don't know. What am I gonna do a search on? I know, Sigma. Sigma, because I'm looking right at my lens cover here on the table outside the frame. I have a Sigma cover for my camera, so that's what came to my mind. So we'll do a quick search on Sigma. We'll go ahead and click on images, and then let's see. We'll click on this. Have a look at that. We'll pinch the zoom, and with the 120 display, nice and smooth. Same thing on the S22 Ultra. Let's see. We'll click on this. Click on this. Let's see, we'll click on this. Nice and fast. Now let me see here. Is there an actual image that we can, and going back, very, very speedy. Let's see, we'll click on this. Ooh, a little bit of a slowdown here on the OnePlus, but that could just be the internet, the Wi-Fi, not necessarily the phone. I mean, as you can see, the scrolling here, the pinch to zoom, just the browsing experience overall, very nice on both phones. And with the 120 display, makes scrolling just an enjoyable experience. All right, enough of all that. Let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. We'll go through these apps again, and we'll have a look for any lags, any stutters. We'll document, and if there's none, there's none. It's good for us. Modern Combat 5, reconnecting to the game, not a reload. All right, good to go on that. This one, CSR Racing 2, press OK, and you're ready to play right away, which is what I want to say. Angry Birds, same thing, good to go. Subway Surf, you can resume. Mario Run, very nice. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place, good to go. Play Store, same place again. Calculator on both, there you go. Whoops, the clock. Still running in the background, and again, I've never seen this reload on any phone, no matter how much RAM, no matter what the processor. I've never seen this reload in my life. Maybe one day it will. We'll do the camera right now. Ooh, faster on the S22. Messages, about the same. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Do you have the S21 Ultra? Do you have the S20 Ultra? Are you rocking a Note 20 Ultra? Are you a baller and have a Z Fold 3? Or are you on Team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 9 Pro or your OnePlus 9? Are you looking forward to the upcoming OnePlus 10 Pro? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.